Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. Today let's learn the different kinds of fruits. Yum! So are you guys all ready? Let's go! This one is a fruit. The red or the ripe ones are perfect in making sauces for pasta, while the green ones are good for salads. Do you know the name of this fruit?
It's tomato.
That's right. How about this next one? This is yellow with small bits as the meat. Not many know this, but it is a fruit. Do you know the name of this fruit?
It's corn.
You nailed it. You did well. Guess the next one. This one is a favorite among meals that have spicy flavors. Mom uses it in our soups too. She likes Circassian pasta. Do you know what's the name of this fruit?
It's chili pepper.
Spot on. You are correct again. This one is sweet and tangy. They are best eaten fresh but can also be consumed as pie, a bread, cookies, and even a sorbet. I'm so hungry just thinking about these recipes. Can you guess what it is?
It's pear.
Amazing! You answered correctly. Let's move on the next fruit. This one is my favorite. Mom would make a muffin out of this fruit. It's also best for milkshakes. It's yellow in color when ripe and grows best in tropical areas. When unripe, we also fry it for crisp chips. What is it?
It's banana.
Correct. You are doing good so far. But can you guess the next one? Let's find out. Our other fruit is one of Mom's favorite. She likes to use this fruit in her salads. You can also add this one in your ceviche. But did you know you can also make a smoothie out of this fruit? When you are not feeling well, you can add some syrup and lots of crushed ice. Mix it all up and you have a very healthy smoothie. So, do you have any idea what's the name of this fruit?
It's cucumber.
That's right. It's cucumber. This one is color red. I like it as an ice cream. But it's also yummy when cooked as cakes. Do you know what it is?
It's strawberry.
You are correct. Now let's move on the next fruit. This one has tiny oblongs as fruits. This one is also rich in vitamins. When fermented, this fruit is consumed as wine. But when dried, they are called raisins. Others use it as vinegar, jellies, and Papa's favorite jam. Do you know what it is?
It's grapes.
Right again. You have a good grasp of your fruits. How about this next one? I like this because we make a crisp appetizer for it. You dip it in an egg wash, coat it in breadcrumbs, and deep fry it. So yummy! In our household, we also add this to our sour soup or sinigang. It's also delicious when eaten with other vegetables. Do you know what it's called?
It's eggplant.
That's correct. Did you know they are botanically considered as fruit, though most of us eat it with other vegetables? Now let's move on to the next one. Can you guess what it is? We are almost at the end. This one is good for stir fries, pizza toppings, and salads. They are in different colors, such as yellow, green, and like this one, red. Do you know what is the name of this fruit?
It's bell pepper.
That's right. For our final fruit for this vlog, it is sour in taste, and we use it to prepare for our juice. But Mom loves to cook with it. She says it cuts the acidity. You can also make a granita out of it. I love it when it's sweet. Have you guessed its name?
It's lemon.
Do you enjoy our game? I love all these fruits, so this game is a treat. What a fun way to learn! Play this game with friends and let's all have fun. See you next time!